How to fix Windows key not working in Windows 11. 1. Basic tips are, clean your keyboard. Use a different one. Reboot your PC. 2. Run keyboard troubleshooter tool. 3. Turn off Windows game mode. 4. Turn off filter keys. 5. Delete scan code map from hkey_local_machine \system \current control set /control \keyboard layout in registry. 6. Run getapps package elusers for each apps package disable development mode register $__.install location \appxmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 7. Keyboard drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Scan your system for potential badware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.